In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to Metatrader 5. We'll walk through creating your Exness account and then linking it to Metatrader 5 so you can log in and start trading from the platform. I'll keep things clear and simple, and I'll also share a few helpful tips along the way to avoid common connection issues. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Exness. When the results load, look for the official Exness website. Take a second to double check the address bar so you're on the legitimate site, not an ad or a lookalike page. Using the official site helps keep your account safe and ensures you'll get the correct server and login details later. Click through to the Exness website. On the home page, locate the register button. It's usually placed prominently at the top of the page. Click register to begin setting up your account. You'll be asked for your email address. Enter the email you intend to use for managing your trading accounts and receiving important notifications. Make sure you have access to it, as some regions may require email verification before you can proceed. Next, create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Avoid anything easy to guess and don't reuse passwords from other services. Keep your credentials private and store them in a secure password manager if possible. When you're ready, click register to complete the sign-up. Depending on your region and regulations, you might be prompted to confirm your email or provide additional details in your Exness personal area. Follow any on-screen prompts, then return once your account is ready. Now that your account is created, open Metatrader 5. If you already have MT5 installed on your computer, launch it. If not, you can install it from the official Metatrader 5 website for your operating system. Once MT5 is open, we'll connect your new Exness trading account. Inside Metatrader 5, find the Navigator panel. If you don't see it, you can show it by going to the View menu and selecting Navigator. In that panel, locate Accounts. Click on Accounts to highlight it. Right-click on Accounts to open the Context menu. From that menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This opens the login window you'll use to connect MT5 to your Exness account. In the Login field, enter your trading account number from Exness. This is important. Metatrader 5 expects the numeric login for your trading account, not your email address. You can find this number in your Exness personal area under your list of accounts, and it may also appear in your welcome or account confirmation messages. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the specific one you want to use in MT5. In the password field, enter your trading password. This is the password associated with that specific trading account. Some brokers distinguish between a personal area password and a trading account password, so make sure you're using the correct one for the account you're logging into. Keep this password confidential and never share it. Now, select the correct server. Choose the server name that matches your Exness account details, such as the exact real or demo server specified in your personal area. If you don't see the server in the list, you can type the broker name into the search box to refresh available servers, then select the precise one tied to your account. Picking the wrong server is one of the most common reasons for connection errors, so match it carefully. Once your login, password, and server are all set, confirm the login. If everything is correct, you'll see the connection status in the bottom right of MT5 turn active. Quotes will start updating in the Market Watch window, and your account will appear under Accounts in the Navigator. If you get an invalid account message, double-check the trading account number and password. If you see no connection, verify your internet, confirm the server selection, and ensure any firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking MT5. That's it. You've registered with Exness and connected your account to Metatrader 5. Keep your credentials secure, always use the official websites and servers, and you'll be set up for a smooth trading experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.